So, problem feet. Last time I talked about aligning the rear foot, but this time I want to talk about the whole concept of the foot triangle. So the way the foot works is it rotates and it pivots around the second metatarsal. So here's me on the second metatarsal here. So I'm going to draw a line up that second metatarsal. Think of the talus sitting on top of a pyramid here. So the heel, the first and fifth metatarsal, that's like a triangle base, and it comes up to a prism at the top here, and that's the top of the pyramid. So if I find my talus, so I'm underneath the malleoli here, and I wiggle side to side, I'm finding the centre where my talus is centred. Okay, now what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to go find the innermost, most medial part of the medial malleolus and most lateral part of the lateral malleolus, and I'm going to go around to the midway, which is here, and there is me in the midpoint of my talus. The key thing with the foot, it's about balancing the talus over the base here. So if I'm moving my foot, and you'll notice here that line is going outside the line here, that's a problem. If it tracks inside that line, that's a problem too. So ideally, if I'm doing my exercises, I want to line them up. So you can see here, if I'm coming up on my toes, those lines are lined up. Or if I'm going this way, I don't know if I can even do that. Okay, so the idea is whenever we're moving, whether it's dorsiflexion, whether it's spinal flexion, whether I'm accepting weight one side or the other, I always want to line up my centre of the talus with my second metatarsal. If you do that when you're strengthening your foot, the foot's going to be really happy with you because that is how a foot needs to be loaded.